Hey cruisers! If you're planning a cruise to Alaska soon, we've got some essential tips to help get your packing game just right. This is the first in a 4-part series to get you prepped and totally ready for your cruise to visit the last frontier. Part 1 in the series today focuses on clothing basics. Part 2 will cover outerwear. Part 3 will focus on accessories and other non-clothing related items to pack. And Part 4 is only for the brave who want to try carry-on only packing for Alaska. All of this information can also be found on our website, cruisetipstv.com. So don't worry too much about taking notes today. We'll link to everything you need below. Today, we're starting with clothing basics. It can be tricky deciding what to pack for an Alaska cruise. What type of clothes should I pack? Will I need to dress up on the ship? Well, Alaska weather varies greatly, and it's not uncommon to experience 80-degree days followed by 42-degree nights and just about everything in between. Drizzle, fog, and rain are also common, but it's difficult to predict what the weather will be like on your Alaska cruise. So it's all about casual, comfortable layers in Alaska. Days around the ship and port visits call for casual, easy-to-pack basics. That might look like jeans, comfortable athletic-type pants, t-shirts, hoodies, sweaters, and even a light jacket. Remember, casual is the word of the day here. Evenings on the ship tend to be more casual than some other cruise itineraries as well. While you should plan for a few formal nights if that's what your cruise line recommends, you'll find that due to the cooler weather and the fact that there are lots of port days in Alaska, many people will actually dress in warm, casual clothing for evenings and dinners kind of around the ship in Alaska. So while you might see sundresses and Hawaiian shirts at dinner and in the evenings on Caribbean cruises, you're more likely to see slacks, sweaters, and more cozy attire in the evenings on a cruise to Alaska. Now, I like to pack a combination of dresses and nice sweaters and pant or jean combinations for dinners on Alaska cruises. That way, if it's chilly on the ship, I have something to choose from. A warm shawl or wrap is a lifesaver for chilly evenings in the dining room, the theater, or casino, and it can actually double as a neck pillow or a wrap on your flight as well. For us, comfort is key when cruising to Alaska. So we also recommend that you pack a nice pair of walking shoes, preferably something non-slip and water resistant. Walking or athletic shoes are generally fine, but hiking shoes or water-resistant boots may be a better option if you plan to do a lot of outdoor excursions, hiking, glacier trekking, or any activity where you might get wet. Just be sure to wear those shoes in before your cruise so you don't end up with blisters. Even athletic shoes can be kind of stiff at first, so wear them in, friends. You may be wondering what you should wear ashore in Alaska. The first tip we have for you today is to carefully read the excursion description for guidance if you're going on an excursion. Whether you book your excursion with the ship or on your own, the tour provider should let you know if you need to pack anything special, like a rain jacket, sunscreen, bug spray, or even waterproof shoes. But for the most part, days on shore are pretty much the same as days on the ship. Comfortable shoes designed for walking, and layers that can easily be added or removed are your safest bets. These next few items we'll suggest you pack may surprise you. Nothing beats taking a nice swim or a soak in a hot tub while enjoying the majesty of Alaska. It's true. Most pools are heated and hot tubs are open, so you may want to consider packing a swimsuit and some sandals that are appropriate for poolside as well. Leave your beach towels at home though, because the cruise line will provide those for you. In our next episode, we'll talk about outerwear for the whole family for your Alaska cruise. Things like jackets, rainwear, hats, and other clothing items to keep you warm and dry on your cruise. So we want to know, what ship are you booked on for Alaska? Let us know in the comments. And for more info on cruising to Alaska, check out our cruise class, our playlist, and our Alaska cruise store in the description below. We even have an outfit of the day video showing you all the things that I wore on a week-long cruise to Alaska. And of course, we'll link to that. If we've earned your subscription today, join our community and turn on the notification bell right now. Until next time, happy Alaska planning! And until then, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.